Hello and welcome back to another episode of How is Taylor Gonna Make Me Money this week? Well, today we're talking about BioPharma catalysts once again, aka BPCs. Specifically those surrounding MNK and LPCN, which both have upcoming PDUFA dates, which means some exciting setups for traders. But before we get into it, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I do earnings and BPC content almost daily, and they're all time sensitive, so you're gonna wanna know the second they come out. Now, without further ado, so to recap, LPCN is a company that's never generated a dime in revenue, whose guidance is basically nonsense, and that's basically a gap and crap stock on a slow road to doo-doo town. That is, if not for the one saving grace, a testosterone replacement therapy they have under development named Tolando. Now, if the FDA grants their new drug authorization for Tolando, doctors are going to be handing this stuff out like candy corn on Halloween. The original PDUFA was scheduled for August 28th, but has now been scheduled for some time in the coming weeks, which means get ready because the hype train is coming. Prior to their last PDUFA, LPCN had a clean 115% run up. Now, MNK is a little bit different of a story than LPCN. It's already trading at a low, it actually generates revenue, it tends to beat its EPS estimates, and it actually already holds a handful of patents. So even though it's got a PDUFA date on September 12th for its new drug telepressin, there really is no reason to expect some gigantic run up. Having another vasoconstrictor on the market just is not going to be as game-changing as Tolando could potentially be. That being said, this setup is still too good for me to resist. So I'm going to be picking up some shares, hoping to cash in on a run up before the PDUFA date. That's it, guys. You have all the tools. Just do it. Also, if I'm making money, don't be stingy. Give me a like. Finally, if you need a broker, good source of stock market news, or good source of options flow, I have referral links for all of those down below. If you sign up using one of my links, we both get a bonus, which is awesome for me. Thanks for watching. Make some money.